What is up, beautiful people? Today I have a brow brand that actually reached out to me and sent me some products for review purpose after they saw me kind of complaining on my BoxyCharm. So in BoxyCharm recently, we got sent this brow bar by Reema, and I was like, I don't think I'm gonna try it out because I'm not a real fan of these kind of powdered products, which I actually did my brows with this little kit today. But so then the brand actually saw my video, which was super cool, and they were like, hey, what if we send you some products for you to test out and you can see which ones you like, which ones you don't. So I thought that that was really cool of them. I will link them down below and also their social media. So yeah, so I thought I'd go ahead and talk about the different kind of brow products that they had and kind of go through each one, my experience with each one. The first one that we're going to talk about is their Bombshell Brow Kit. So this is like a kit with an all-in-one. So I actually was like writing it off when I watched, if you watch my BoxyCharm video, I was like, I'm never going to use this, I'm not gonna. Actually, I really think that this is really cool. So once I gave it a shot and actually, you know, was like, okay, let me give it a shot, see if it really would work for me. So it comes with two different powders depending on your brow shade. This is actually the darkest one, so it comes with a black and the dark brown. I actually use the dark brown, not the black as much. And then it comes with this kind of cream shade right here, as you can see there. It's supposed to be a highlight. I feel like this one and the dark one is a little too dark for me. I feel like this would be really good for someone who was darker complexion than me, but I will show you something else that they have that I really feel I enjoy a lot. And then it comes with a highlight, which I actually have here as a highlight underneath my brow bone. And then it comes with this little pencil, so you could actually like get in there and like really form your eyebrows. It comes with a pair of tweezers and then the little spoolie and brush. So overall, this is a really nice one. I was actually pleasantly surprised. I do feel like this shade is a little too dark for me, but other than that, everything else in here I could make work. And it's really nice that you have the little spoolie in here. You have the little mirror, so you could actually like just do your eyebrows on the go. And since you even have the little tweezers, you can like take out those little extra hairs and stuff like that. So overall, I feel like for the most part, this is a really nice one. They look really nice and natural. If you can see, my eyebrows were actually used today. Was actually done today using this little kit right here. So it is a nice kit. Out of all their products, it is nice, but it isn't my all-time favorite, just in case. So if you're into more powdered products, then you would probably really enjoy that. And the fact that you have like an all-in-one, so you could actually like travel with it. And I feel like this is something that I would take like on my cruises or traveling once COVID is over. So the next thing that they sent me was this. This is their little kit. This is their red carpet brow kit. So this comes with a brow pomade, a brow lights camera action highlighter, a brow angled brush, and a brow gel. So I thought that was super cute that on the cover that has like this little sequin, but it's not like actually on there. And this little kit I definitely recommend. So I will show you guys. So it has the pomade, which you'll see that I've dipped into, and you really don't need that much product. You could just definitely just dip in really softly, and it actually comes with the brush itself. So what I do is I dip in like the smallest bit, and I'll show you guys a little swatch right here. So it's pretty dark. I have dark eyebrows, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and this works really nicely on my eyebrows, and then I just use the spoolie to brush it out. Really nice pomade. So if you're into pomade, really nice one to use, and this is part of the kit with the brush. So as part of that kit, you get the pomade, the brush, and then you get this little brow gel, which I already have it on my eyebrows. It's just a clear gel, and I really enjoy this one because it doesn't flake, it doesn't become too hard on your eyebrow hairs, because that is something I've tried a lot of brow gels in my day, and some of them will flake and like get those crusties on your eyebrow, which I hate. And this one's really nice because it doesn't do that. It just kind of sets everything in place without becoming way too hard or anything like that. And then the last thing in this kit, which is one of my all-time favorites, I love these kinds of pencils for highlighting underneath the brow. So it comes with this brow lights, and I don't know if you've ever used one of these, but these can make a total difference in your look. So it comes with kind of like a highlighter, which is this gold one, and then it comes with this natural shade. So basically, a lot of times what I do is, let me see if I can do this just a little bit here on camera. A lot of times I will clean up my eyebrows underneath. And this is a trick that I've been doing lately, is you just kind of use this pencil and clean up underneath like that. And then you can take a brush and just basically blend that in. And it just really makes your eyebrows pop. It makes your eye look more cleaner and nicer. So I love this kind of duos like this. And then the gold one is one that I like more for that high point of the eyebrow. And I do the same thing where I just go along the edge and then blend it out. So really, really nice kits. And I love this. Love this little duo. Okay, and then the next thing that they sent me, so those 4 things go in that little kit, and then they sent me individually their Bombshell Brow Serum. I think I'm just gonna give this away to someone that might have issues like growing their eyebrows. If you see my eyebrows, I definitely do not have issues with like missing hair, because literally I was born with brows. So this is supposed to be like a serum that you apply to the brow itself. But like I said, it's like a little roll on to do like as a nightly routine. Really, really nice. And I have heard a lot of people claim that castor oil helps with that. And that is one of the main ingredients in that. I literally don't have an issue with growing my brows, so it's not really for me. But if that is something that interests you, go for it. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is their microblading pen. A lot of people really have gravitated towards these kinds of new pens, and I really enjoy them just because a lot of the formula in here is like softer, so it just kind of gives like that kind of like a shadow effect to your brow, especially me because I have so much. So if you want something a little bit more natural looking, I would go with this. This is in the shade medium brown, and basically what you do is like you comb it into your brows, and it has like 3 little spikes. So let me see if I can just kind of swatch this so you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys, I don't know if it will show, but you can see like 3 little lines in there. And basically, let me see if I can do it on here so you guys can really see it. So you see the 3 little lines, so they're very sheer and they blend in so nicely into your eyebrows. They just look more natural. It kind of just gives like that shadow effect to your brows, and just looks very, very natural, like more real hair. So it just blends in more seamlessly and doesn't look like a marker, you know? So really, really nice. I really enjoyed that kind of microblading kind of pen. And then the last one is like my all-time go-to for brows is the, you know, classic pencil. So this is the kind of one that you just twist up and is very nice and thin. And this is in the shade dark. So just very, very classic. As you can see right there, this is the dark one, and really, really nice. And then on the other end, you have your little spoolie just to blend them and brush them out. So really nice collection of different brow products. If you're into products or looking for a new brand to try for brow products, I would definitely check them out. I will leave any additional information, their website, Instagram down below if you're interested in checking them out. Big thank you to them for reaching out and just being super sweet, even though I had was like, I don't want to try this. This is not my cup of tea. And I thought that was really cool of them to be like, hey, maybe that's not your cup of tea, but maybe we can send you some products of something that you do enjoy. And I did feel like I found like certain gems in here. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did you get that in BoxyCharm? Have you enjoyed it? Or did you get another product? Or have you tried this brand in general? I'd love to hear it from you down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit that little red button. Follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.